Are you an engineer who wants to stay relevant in the automotive industry? Well, you're in luck because we've got just the thing for you, AUTOSAR. Don't be intimidated by the fancy acronym because this 7-letter word revolutionizes the automotive industry. So what is AUTOSAR? AUTOSAR, or Automotive Open System Architecture, is a standardized software architecture developed by the automotive industry. It provides a common framework for developing software for Vehicle Electronic Control Units, or the ECU. The global AUTOSAR market size is expected to grow from 2.3 billion in 2020 to 3 billion by 2025 at a compound annual growth rate of 5.8%. To develop expertise in AUTOSAR, you'll need to start with the basics. You'll need to understand the architecture, software components, and communication mechanisms defined by these standards. You'll need to have a good understanding of the following: programming languages such as C and C++, and microcontrollers and automotive networking protocols such as CAN, LIN, and Ethernet. The best way to develop expertise in AUTOSAR is through practice. Working on projects that involve AUTOSAR, such as developing software for ECUs or testing software components, will help you understand the practical applications of these standards. The demand for skilled engineers who can design and develop AUTOSAR-based software is expected to rise in the coming years. So, if you want to stay relevant in the automotive industry, developing expertise in AUTOSAR is a pretty smart move.